tail flaps, and then the head goes up, and then the tails come back. So it basically has two attachment points to whatever it climbs on, and just pull this up, up, and up. So I started by doing some experiments with static electricity, balloons and such, which didn't work quite well. I didn't have enough power to keep it attached to whatever I was going to be attached to. One second. Can you open the door? Yeah, so yeah, static electricity didn't work well. So I decided to switch to electromagnets and build this little guy. It has two little electromagnets at the bottom. There's this mechanism, which is basically a wheel and a shaft that pushes it back and forth. And then on the other side, there are two switches, which are sitting really close to the wheel. And there's a timing mechanism, which basically turns the switches on and off as it spins. So there's a little, I don't know how like the right name for it, but it's basically steps, which it just grinds on and so whenever this is up front, this motor is on, then this goes off and they pull this up, and then at those points both of them are together so it doesn't fall off, and then this goes on, this goes off, and then it goes up, grabs, and pulls itself. Let's turn on the well. The design came out a little bit too heavy to pull us up steep slopes, so I'm going to try on something straight first, see how it goes. Alright, so there are two circuits basically. Yeah, 20 volts. So there are two circuits in the thing. The 20 volts basically supposed to be 24 for the magnet. And then this little circuit here, also being activated by this circuit, was a relay, and it turns the motor. So the motor only uses those two batteries, 3 volts. And then the magnets are actually the ones that are using 20 volts. Okay, so I could turn on. It's kind of having a hard time pulling stuff. And another problem is the magnets are not going off. Like when I stop the current, when the switch is off, the magnet still has some power in it. So that's why you see it's dragging a little bit. So we can try putting it on like a little slope maybe.
You built a slope machine. Just a
slope machine. Right now, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Maybe it's the batteries also on this week, but we can do it. Maybe I'll give it a little push. Yeah, struggling, but it's going. Yeah, slowly. And non-magnetic surface, it just goes in place. Yeah. So the magnets are working. Yeah, and it was supposed to have this outer shell thing, which I didn't finish. Yeah, that's it.